Okay. So I saw a bunch of videos on YouTube that tell you how to take the alternator off of a 2001 Suzuki Grand Vitara 2.5 liter V6 the hard way. They will tell you to remove that bracket. Something else too, there's a torque nut somewhere. I don't know how they were talking. I didn't pay attention that long. But you don't have to. You just pop this little, so you pop this wiring harness off of here. If the camera will focus. It's a little push-in thing. Push it in, or pry it up, whatever, pops off. Undo the bolt down here. I believe it's a 10 cap screw. Undo these two bolts, or cap screws I should say. And then take this bracket loose off right here too. Obviously you remove the air cleaner, because how else are you gonna get in there? Mine's already gone, because I got that one over there. Now, I used a 14mm wrench on the bottom. Pull this bolt off again and show you guys. Ooh, a pain, that's one-handed. So I used my 14mm wrench. Put it down on this bottom bolt. Pried it loose, broke it loose. Then I used my 14mm socket and my Mech Pro ratchet, which is off-brand but still fucking pretty good. Bam! That loose broke loose. Easy as fuck. Like the easiest I've ever done. Pull your power wire off, which is a 10mm. Unplug the plug in the back, which is just a push tab. Push down and pull out. And then the alternator fits right through here. You put it down with the top of it facing towards the back. And then you just have to move this wire or this harness up. So these guys are out of the way. And it literally falls right down there. Literally. So don't listen to them telling you have to take all these brackets off and shit. You don't. Falls down, you turn it once it's down there, slide it in. You kind of have to pry it off the bottom bracket. It's some sort of, I don't know what the hell it is, but it keeps it from falling off. So you gotta like push it. I just pushed it down that way, and of course there's tons of room and it popped right off. Putting it back on, obviously you saw, put the alternator down, turn it in, pry it in. I kind of had to tap on it with a piece of wood and a hammer so it didn't break nothing. Got it in, and it wasn't that bad actually. Now I can put my belt back on, so I get this stand this over there. Keep the belt back on, make sure it's still on the fan and the crankcase. And looks like we're good. Just that freaking easy, people. That freaking easy. Throw your old cap screw up in top. Wherever she's at. Easy cheesy, lemon squeezy. You know, please don't listen to those other people. Fuck there. Hey, I'm not knowing what the hell they're doing. Or they're just weekend mechanics. Okay, so you want that kind of loose because you still gotta pry this guy back to get tension on your belt. So we're going to use a lead piece of bar. It weighs a lot and it's easy to fucking. Nope. You girl, stop. Hey, get over here. Come. Get over here. Damn dog. Yeah, check your tension. Looks pretty good to me. We might have to actually tighten it more, but that's okay. So, take our 10 down to the bottom right here. So it's torque wrench. The old-fashioned hooker. No, I didn't Google how many pounds are going to be on this, so I'm just going to put a couple on it and call it good. If we can find it. Let's turn it a little bit. Yeah. Call that good. It's tight, it's tight. Let's get back. And I am a cheater. I will use an impact wrench whenever I can. The trick is to not over impact them, which is a lot harder. I mean, not that bad, I guess. Hey, knock it off, you guys. Sorry. Dumbass. And not tight because you want to put this one on in case you need to move it around. Make sure that I'm dead on, son. Knock it off, girls. Just 1 or 2 ticks. It's usually plenty. Especially these little tiny guys. Suffering.
I've been working with Grandma, and I found a piece of glass
Throw that shit away.
in the horse pen.
What the fuck are you carried up here for? Throw it away. And this little guy just pries off. You just take your screwdriver. Oh.
You take your screwdriver.
Just take a screwdriver and push on this little tab, and it pops right off. You pull it, and you pull this out, obviously.